All right, today I'm going to swap out the rear suspension in my 1977 Porsche 911. Let's go. All right, new, old. Same length. Bump stop's a little bit taller on this one. All right. So I marked on this strut where it rubs, and I compressed it to that area, and the bump stops just starting there. So what I'm going to do is use the old bump stop and cut a couple of these spacers out and put them in, so that way, because basically these things compress about 30% or 60% of what's there, so 3 of these will be fully compressed about as thick as one of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut them up. All right, so I got the bump stop in, and now you can see fully compressed. This is where I want it to stop, and all of these compressed. Should get me pretty close to that. I definitely don't want to go lower than that. So here's the new top bushing. I'll go ahead and put it on here and then put it up through and then cap the top. So I'm kind of doing this blind. Yeah, wow, that was easier than I thought it might be. Alright, now we'll put the new bushing up top here, and we'll just get a nut on there to get it secure. Alright, here's the washer. I'll throw the washer on. Throw the nylock nut on. And now what I'm going to do is go underneath and throw the bolt in, and then I'll snug this up. Alright, so now I'll just use the jack. Just jack this back up to get it into place to where the shock is. slowly just bring this in. All right, let's torque it to 125 Newton meters. There we go. There it is. For Mom and the kids. All right, let's put this wheel on. Now we'll torque them to 130 Newton meters. Set it to 130 Newton meters. And that's it. Gap looks big, but as soon as I drive it, it'll settle in, and it'll probably drop about an inch or so. We'll see. And after some spirited driving, check it out. That is the tire gap, so I'm happy with that. Sits about the same as the front. You see in the past, the tire was rubbing the fender right there, and it definitely doesn't do it anymore. I was hammering corners, and stuff it used to rub on with no throttle, now I can just bang on the throttle and it's definitely not rubbing. So, thumbs up. Alright guys, that was a replacement of the rear suspension in my 1977 911. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.